Hi, I'm Kathy Papreck. I teach 8th grade. I teach science and health. And a fun fact about me is that I love animals, including dead ones, like this lovely dead mummified frog and my little dead mummified snake. And here's a bunch of snake eggs that my dad ran over this mom with a lawnmower, and here are all the babies that were in it.
Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Glassmaker. I am going to be teaching 8th grade science this year. This is my first year teaching 8th grade science, so I'm excited to get to know all of you. Some fun facts about me is I have 2 kids and 4 dogs and a cat, so I'm plenty busy at home, and again, I'm just looking forward to getting to know all of you this year and ready to get started.
Hi, my name is Mr. Reid. I teach 8th grade math. This year I'll be teaching Algebra 1 and regular 8th grade math. I'm also the athletic director for Beaker Middle School, so you'll see me at a lot of sporting events. One thing I did this summer that was pretty fun is I played a lot of golf. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Tiffany, and I am an 8th grade ELA teacher here at Beaker, and this year I'll be teaching drama as well and a speech class. Fun fact about me is that I have twin boys. They are 4 years old. Their names are Cash and Weston, and they're actually going to be on KNBC 9 News tonight at 5. So I'm telling you this knowing that by the time this video airs, you're not going to see it, but I have a background in television news, and I had their back to school pictures taken, so they're going to be on tonight. That's, I guess, all I can think of. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys. It's been a long summer, I know, but you'll be back soon, and really looking forward to the new year with you. So take care.
Good morning. I'm Mrs. Reid, and I teach at Beaker Middle School, and I am your 8th grade ELA teacher, and I love getting you ready for high school. It's my main goal. This year in ELA, we're going to be learning a lot about World War II and the Holocaust. We're going to be doing an amazing brand new narrative book that correlates with what we have going on with COVID compared to the influenza of many, many, many years ago. And it's a ghost story. That's the best part. Also, I love the beach. That's my fun, that's my place. I need to be there right now. On the beach, hunting for shells, hunting for shark teeth. I go every year to Myrtle Beach. I love it. It's my away place. I'm looking forward to seeing you all this year and meeting you all, and we'll make the best of it. We're in this together and look forward to seeing you. Let's have a great year.
Hey Beaker, I'm Fallon Bozeller. I teach 8th grade math and algebra. I love my content area, so I hope that with my obsession and your curiosity that we are just gonna have a great year. I can't wait to see you.
Hey Beaker, it's Felice and Natividad. I can't wait to see you guys. I teach 8th grade American history, and I like to read and go outdoors, and I can't wait to see you guys.
Hi Beaker, my name is Mrs. Rusk. I will be teaching 8th grade social studies this year. It will be my first year in the Marshall School District. I'm also getting to teach government for social studies enrichment, so I'm really excited about that. One fun fact about me is that I love Harry Potter, so if you come in and let me know about that, it'd be super exciting. And I can't wait to see you all on Wednesday.